Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable push notifications for comments in the Facebook app on PC with the latest update. If you're tired of constant pinging whenever someone comments, this walkthrough will help you quiet those alerts in a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This opens a small menu with quick access to your personal settings. From there, select Settings and Privacy. A sub-menu will appear. Choose Settings to access the broader options for your account. You'll land on a page with many categories, so don't worry. The path you're looking for sits under Notifications. Now, click Notifications. This section houses all the alert preferences for Facebook. Here you'll see several categories such as tags, comments, friend requests, and more. Scroll until you find the Comments category, which governs notifications triggered by new comments on posts you've made or are involved with. Under Comments, you'll see an option labeled Push. This is the setting that controls push notifications to your device. Toggle. Push off to stop those real-time alerts from appearing on your screen when new comments come in. If you want to keep other types of notifications for comments, such as in-app banners or email summaries, you can adjust those separately while leaving Push disabled. A quick tip: after turning off Push for comments, you might still receive occasional notifications in other formats depending on your broader notification preferences. If you find you're still getting alerts, revisit the notification settings and review related categories like activity log or messenger alerts to ensure everything aligns with your preference. That's all there is to it. With these steps, push notifications for comments are disabled, letting you browse Facebook without the constant interruptions.